Bury them, I bury them, I bury them. Hey, what me want? What me want? What me want? What me want? Faster, 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 faster. I force for a World Cup play me here, replace so silent. I want to go on my Argentina fan, so you play so silent. If I drop a pin here, I be here water shed. Brazil, pack up on the bag, take time. Pack up on the bag and go on, man. Oh God, man, me tell you no. We're not too hype. We're not too nice too. Oh God, man, me glad how we get rid of that jump on you, see, man. We're not too nice, man. Just imagine if Brazil will win to the amount of nice as me is.
GRUNG the quiet. Jesus peace. Where everybody there? Where everybody there, me? The place too quiet, man. Watch ya. Watch ya. What is going on? You know, come outside.
Roll it on! Roll ya! Roll ya! Roll ya! Brazil, don't run! Don't run! Yes, ready! Don't run! Get there! Get there! Get there! Get there! Get there! Watch ya to blood clot, watch ya. You know when time one big dancer, one big old man and one big top general dead in our community them and the place empty. And so out ya look. Blood clot, watch ya. Watch ya to blood clot. Watch ya. No sir. No look good at all, the place dead. Watch ya. Watch ya. Nobody. No sir. Watch ya. Nobody.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see up, my natural talent. Man, me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, me.
If something makes you feel happy, I'm going to tell you something. Pursue it. If it feels meaningful enough for you to devote time, guess what, power, go and run it down. Chase it. If it gives you excitement and bring peace, it might be your purpose. So follow it. Follow it. You understand? What draws you constantly is your inner voice pushing towards your calling. Go for it. Go for it. And whilst going for it, let me tell you something. Your greatest competition is the mental block that halts progress. Your biggest barrier is fear of starting. Don't worry about others. Me know why you think about them. Many people plan great goals but never start. Many people give up too soon. If you're consistent, no matter how slow the growth is, you are going to win. You're not going to lose at Brazil. Why go on, my people? Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing all right. Yet another Monday morning, I get up and find myself alive. Every day above ground is a blessing. Awesome is to be amongst the living. And surely, not amongst the dead. Give thanks to life and the gathering. Then people want go on and catch a bounce yet. You know, see the ball bounce gone left Brazil. Yes, the ball bounce gone right left Brazil. Nobody see Brazilian fans them. Who have worked this morning now? Who have worked this morning? Me no see some of them from the game. Before the game even done, I don't see them. Me I tell you the truth, me don't see them. Me pass over some of them here that even food me smell and cook. Them are they not in that. Me say them are mad out. Them are mad out. Mighty God, but me I tell you the truth still, because don't know say we bunks this ball here. See me? Me supposed to lose my best player doing everything. Me don't understand how Ancelotti give Bruno Guimaraes penalty for take. Me supposed to lose my best player do everything, you know. Yes, man. All if they score, they still lose. All if they score people, then still would I lose. But look for them for me. Look for them and make them know so where can go on this morning, no man. They're supposed to come and work. Because when they win, you know, the little group stage match, they never play nobody. Beer nice, beer marching. No, nothing. So they might carry like for every team now. Belgium, you need to do the right thing today. Yeah, man. You need to. Belgium, the world, and the whole football community is depending on you today. You have to do what is right. You need to drop a 6 love. I think you're going to carry score so much good. Just get all about to Lukaku. Just roll it twinkle and cannot control. You see if you don't roll this ball to Lukaku a little more Belgium, I tell you. You look aside and not play. Dirty nice show. Yeah, man. And then look at fans that want to go missing. Speaking of missing, come here the people. Janine Sinclair, she's only 14. She come from out of Bridgeport side. The Bridgeport police them say at about 6 a.m. on Sunday, July 5th. Janine was last seen at home wearing them don't know what. But she just gone missing. I wonder if I got Janine go watch match with her friend them. I know that this side lose her people but come and say she missing. Don't worry yourself, we'll find her phone now. We're going to find her phone, alright? Ashana East, she's only 12 years old. The police about a Morant base, watch out the people that go up at the station and say from Wednesday, July 1st, Shana was the last seen at home and nobody know where she in because they left her yard. And when they reach back at the yard, they don't see her. This little 12-year-old, if you don't see her next door, send her home. Look on this little 13-year-old. If you look on her, you can see the breast milk still run her mouth, you know. And she gone miss it too, you know. Ashley Cuff. I never say Ashley Cuff. I say Ashley Cuff. Stony police them say Ashley was the last seen at home on Wednesday, July 1st. And nobody know where she did. Them will know say they left her yard. And when they go back home, them no see her. Crystal Clark. Crystal Clark is 14 and she come from right around Crafts Hill. Crafts Hill is a Clarendon style, don't it? Anyway, the Crafts Hill police them say on Monday, June 29, Crystal was the last seen at home, dressed in a white blouse, a blue jean short, and a pair of blue slippers. Crystal just not post foot. I wish she did a go. Nobody knows where she did go. But she just got missing. Anybody see this little girl? Let me know in the comment section so I can tell our people them which part of find her. Rochelle Morgan. Rochelle is only 13. And the Hunts Bay police them say at about 10:45 p.m. on Friday, July 13. Rochelle was last seen on the road. Rochelle was last seen on the road. Where she had up on the road so late in a pink dress, a white socks, and a camouflage Crocs. Where she had up on the road so late? What is that little pit there up on the road at 10:44? This is like a 13-year-old. Let me tell you, a man for them man to again, so when I run rap catches to that the people them say. But anyway, if you see this little girl here, do me a favor. Send her to her yard. Alright? The police them say tell you they say them all lamp Oshane Morris, not a Chucky where they wanted for murder, and them normally run a Spalding Lane. Kingston 5. They say if you tell Uno say they will lamp on him. You know why not tell you that still? Dead we don't want to the dead this a boy yeah. Moving right along. A said catching woman who attempt to bribe a policeman with $15,000 to prevent prosecution of her son was on Friday fined $300,000 or 30 days imprisonment. Aye boy, Canadian, they have money to give away, man. Canadian, they have money to give away. Yeah. You see, look, money in your pocket, in that jump, man. You just want to give it to him, man. Canadian Antoine Cha, 45 years old, come from Spanish Town, pled guilty to attempted bribery with explanation. She shared explanation to all of that. Argued that she was set up by the policeman. It is he who sent me for the money. That's a setup, she said. All you fool, man. You big fool like. She said the police sent her for the money, so she go for it. If you come game. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyways, pay 300,000. As a matter of fact, take 30 days in a prison. You understand? Can you serve no purpose in the streets? Moving right along. The police in St. Catherine has launched an investigation for the discovery of a car in bushes right around that Dover district. Manchester side, the man, them it's a lipstick here from, you know. Nissan AD Wagon 2017 to be exact. What Mr. Lipstick mean on red plate says a taxi PL7705. The police them so them go so boom and spot the vehicle and go look on the vehicle. Them say my view. The console gone, you know. The man them clean out everything. Just shell and load the for the man come pick up. I say okay, call him and tell him say come pick up in shell then the man. It could have worse. The man them could have burn it up. Speaking of burn up. Mighty God, the lady house burned right up. Wanna come by there?
See there. A whole building burned down. And me call 119. And they hang up on me blood clot. Me call 119. After 4 me I look for the call. Me look who girl call me say house a burn down out of me in my bathroom. Naked as the day me burn. Me run out of my bathroom and me pit this in me nakedness. Me business and me nakedness. And me call 119 and they hang up on me blood clot. See it there? Me call emergency number. And they hang up on me. What is in a Jamaica? Me want to know what is in a Jamaica. What taxpayer money I go? Me call 119 and they hang up on me. Lenelton police me if you ring. Lenelton police me if you ring. Fi call the fire brigade. Come in and know fire brigade number. Me call 119 and they hang up on me. Today how much? July. If 4th or 5th? 4th of July. 4th of July, see there. 4th of July, this man night before the burn out. See there.
Every document, see there, now no have to sleep. Everything going on. We lose every document we could have taken. Every document.
Everything. One suit on your back, right?
One suit. You don't get to save nothing. See there? I just a phone you could have grab up and run out. You don't get to save nothing.
4th of July, this morning. 2026. This morning. Homeless or no homeless now? Who no need help?
Just a show no whole situation, we need help. Just we can assist the place. Everything going on. Yes, one some help, see there. Everything flat. One suit of clothes, see there. One suit of clothes. Nothing on the left, everything going on, see there. Everything done. Documents, everything, ID, TRN, every document you could have think of, gone.
Decline, miss.
Everything, documents, TRN, every document you could have think of. everything going on. I would have to just show. Just a look. We just seek some help. Please don't come. We are taking. We young. We are working. Work at this children. We are my brother. Then. Don't know left.
They work as security, man.
Yes, my security. And my brother them work at this children. Before the morning this.
Me in a bathroom a bed. Me little girl. Me ask him what time. He say 9 minutes after 4. So me say, Akila go for your rake, line up your rake and a bag. Before we go out the road, me rake and go market. Go buy me goods to go sell. Akila come out the door and come and run back. Mummy, fire! Fire at the pan boop's house. So me run out the bathroom, me run out the bathroom, me slide and drop. And me get up back, run out, naked as the day me born. And grab for jump, see jump twist up there so there. Grab for jump right there so start bail out the water. Call 119, see there. 119 hang up on me. 119 we're supposed to. Where them a collect taxpayer money for that me want know. 119 supposed to be an emergency number, see it here. Me call 119, see it there. See if you sure say me not tell no lie. Me call 119, see it there. Me two nephew they in there asleep. Then could I dead in our house. And me auntie me send go call him.
But they never know what going on.
Never know them deep in a sleep. Deep in a sleep.
One thing we do, the people that want to chat people business with, we have them number on the phone. And the number them are supposed to have, on the door of them. That is what I don't like with somebody, but watch out people. Take out to the pen and the paper and write down where I go on now. 110. That is the fire department number. 116, that's the Met Service number. And 119, that is Jamaica Constabulary Force emergency hotline number. Those are the numbers you're supposed to have by your fridge, in your phone, in your bag. Just have them just in case, because you always need them. You understand? Them are people there. We have the mix-up girl number, speed dial number 1. We have that the number the right there, so that the number the right there, so. And then now you come and cuss, but you call them and they hang up on the phone, just never did that work. I never normally work still, but that's a different story. Then story now one. Make sure I look on the screen right now, because whilst everybody was busy watching the football, whilst everybody did go some boom, busy watching World Cup, this a little football boy you see on the screen now, Gavin brother. Everybody know him as Gavin brother. You understand? Him decides he go jump on a little piece of blue bike and go kill off himself. Clot up in our man car right out of waterworks, you know. On the waterworks main road. You know, waterworks there, not in a Kansas Spring, because waterworks are Kansas Spring, that the people them tell me. But this a waterworks main road there at down Westmoreland. And if you know one Nana Panda, which Gavin me a talk about, Gavin is the same youth. Where in the claims, so watch out man people try to kidnap him, nothing don't go, so you understand. Him know exactly how they will and him know say and him around them the same theme. But people are one Nana Panda, even they pay the $5 million. That's why they release him. Don't worry yourself, people. I will tell you no more upon that when I come back as like when brother ball now, me I go ask him, so watch out man power go on. He will be a run out. They will be a run out. Anyway, 10 to now one.
Thanks for watching. This was a MyView TV production. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, tell a friend for tell a friend, and remember, it never bring nobody forward for cheer for him. Walk good.